Hey there everyone, welcome back. In this quick video, I will show you how to convert text file to PDF. So let's get started. First of all, as you can see, here is my text file. This is the text file. In this method, I will not use any kind of software. So you can use this method to convert your text file to PDF in any kind of mobile phone as well as PCs, laptops, tablet, anywhere you like. You only need a browser. So here is my browser. Just open up any kind of browser and search for text to PDF. All right, after that, here you can see free convert text to PDF. Just go to their website and now you need to select the file. So I will select the text file from my desktop, drag it on, and as you can see, I will select the output as PDF and then click on the convert. So just tap on the convert and it will take some time to convert it, and then we will see a download option. As you can see, here is my download option. I will tap on the download and it will start downloading. So let's just save it on my desktop and now open it. As you can see, the file is named as PDF. If I want to show you, here is the PDF version. So that is for today, guys. Hope this video helps you out. If yes, please do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.